What's up, y'all? Do
got my
you
shade.
know what today is? It's Pumpkin Patch Day.
No, it's Taco Tuesday.
KJ is Friday. It's Saturday.
Well,
it's not Taco Tuesday.
Well,
It's
let
Pumpkin
me tell you,
Patch
I got
Day.
my chain. I got the chain be drippy. Chain.
Oh, you want to sell my chain? Oh,
This
yeah.
is our chain.
Yeah, we drippy. Show me the chain one more time.
We got the Louis V.
Yeah, the Louis V. Okay, y'all. So we're going to the pumpkin patch today. We're gonna have so much fun. We're missing one person. We're taking them boys to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna get King
We're gonna get
right
King.
after this. But first, we're here at the mall. We got to bring some earrings because I lost like all my favorite studs. So it's time to get new studs. And then right after that, we're gonna go get King. And we're gonna talk to y'all when we get inside this mall.
And I'm gonna put my gun down and run down.
Are you excited for the pumpkin patch?
Yes.
I'm gonna put my gun down. No, you're not. We're not doing that at a pumpkin patch. We're not doing that at a pumpkin patch. You ready, baby? Mm-hmm. You ain't say much.
Hey vlog.
All right.
I get nervous in front of the camera.
So we're in Macy's and look what my baby just found.
Look.
These are the cutest.
Look,
The camera
look
don't even
at
do it
mine.
justice. Y'all gotta really. Let me turn the light on so y'all can see. They're just so cute. Oh, there we go. Look, they so cute. I really like them. Yeah, but they're gonna be cute on my ears or whatever. So we found some earrings in Macy's. Shout out to my baby. Because I was over here looking at those. So let's go. And how much are they? Girl, $9.99. Y'all need to shop at Macy's Backstage, and that's period. Macy's Backstage. That's where we get a lot of stuff from. Put on their purses. Y'all, yeah. You got your nice little MK hats. Stay cute for the winter. Like, y'all is playing, like, don't really sleep on Macy's Backstage. If you like name brands, but don't like paying name brand pricing and don't want to do too much. Yes, baby. Yes, baby boy. I do love you. I do care. What?
Can I wear this?
You want that?
Yeah, I want to keep it. Look,
Let's see. Because we're spending a lot of money on y'all today. So let's see how good you do today. Put it back. Let me get my earrings and let's go. Because I always get sidetracked with kids. Let me tell y'all how I did my own eyebrows. Like, as a girl, you just, like, you get tired of people doing stuff halfway there, like, almost as good as you want it. And you want somebody to really do it good, like, how you would want it done. So, I did it myself today. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Little plucking. I ain't really have much to work with, so.
They got earpods in here I can get.
all I want is that.
Happy. But I was like, I want to try with the earphones. I try to put the other ones in because they can like the regular earphones with the strings fit in my ear. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I need more.
So my baby just picked up some little AirPods. If y'all see mine, I didn't get mine from here. Hold on, let me show y'all. This one my baby just got hers from. I didn't get mine from here. I got mine from Staples. Actually, they were like $20, but that's better than paying $100 something. Let me tell y'all, because I could show you how to buy on a budget, and they work just as good. Like, they work just as good. I gotta take y'all shopping with me because I be finding stuff for $10 and I be looking like that bitch in my head. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but in my head, I think I'm the shit. Shout out to my wife though, cause that's all cause her $40, and it's not heavy.
Oh, that's a nice coat.
Something wrong?
No.
It's kind of cute, but it's something about the bottom that's throwing me off.
I think that it's not like maybe fitted.
You feel me? Like, it would give me granddaddy if I was to wear it. Oh my gosh, y'all, they got really some cute stuff in here. This Michael Kors jacket is so cute. It's so cute, and it's only $8. I'm gonna put y'all all the way on. I'm gonna put y'all all the way on and shit when I and this is so cute to me. Like, people probably tell me in the comments right now, y'all think this cute or ugly? Y'all can't even really see it how I see it. These things so cute. All right, bye, y'all. Yes, babe, get it. Get it today. It's cute. What's wrong? Tell the people what's
I
wrong.
want the watch.
You want the watch? Do you have watch money? Can you hand it over? If you have watch money, give it to me. Give it to me.
I do have money.
Give it to me, BB. Give it to me.
Me alone, you calling me. No.
I was reading the name off the shirt. Ooh, Rockaway. I used to be at the bus stop down 20 like, lean back and do the Rockaway. Whole time, that's not even the right song. I used to be like that down 20 at the bus stop waiting for my bus. Lean back, lean back, lean back and do the Rockaway. I thought it was so cute. On the first day of school, my mother had bought me a Rockaway coat. Thought I was the shit with my Rockaway coat. Mind you, that's not even the right brand, bruh. Rockaway was a whole dance, not a coat brand. I was so wrong.
Can I go home?
I found the same
Can I
coat.
go home?
What, little boy?
Can I go home?
For what? Because nobody bought you a watch?
Cause I got $1 right here.
You cannot buy the watch with $1. Yo, who mans is this? Babe, can you get your brother?
Get away from me.
Can you get your brother? Get your brother. KJ. All right, babe, come on. Baby, I forgot we gotta go to Pumpkin Patch. But look, I found another one. So if you wanna buy it today, let's hurry up and get it now and go. How much is it?
It's 50.
It's $50?
Yeah.
I would get it if I was you.
All right.
But I would hurry up. I don't know.
I'm gonna. All right, because this is cute.
Or do you want to wait and see what other jackets you find?
It's like I just wanted to look at the men's. Like if the men's ain't have nothing like this, I would literally buy it now.
Or you want to come back later?
Yeah, let's come back. Cause I don't want to get nothing.
We can come back today,
Okay.
right after the pumpkin patch. Come on, little boy.
I hate you, Dad. You can stay there.
Did you really leave $1 there?
Yeah.
Let me see. What is wrong with kids nowadays? Where's the $1?
Right here.
Why would you do that?
One drink.
Get your ass. Oh, stop! Stop! He left $1 again. Y'all, I'm not really abusing him. I'm telling y'all, he's crazy like this. Like, he hit me back harder. I like this. Oh, it's so much stuff out. Y'all, we gotta go. Y'all, I'm about to be so mad because I hate being late. And it looked like we're gonna be late. I told King I was gonna get him at 3. The pumpkin patch closes at 6. I'm gonna be the worst sister in the whole wide world. Yes, I is, because we supposed to have been there. It's 2:09. You know how long it takes to get to King House? 2:09. We should have been in here playing around this mall. Look at that stuff. Talking about, oh, I need this drip, I need this drip. And now look.
Shut up. You're doing too much. Your eyelashes.
No,
Chinese, baby.
I'm so mad, baby, for real.
Baby, you don't have to be mad. You're gonna be there.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let y'all know if we ever make it to the pumpkin patch. Do it from the iPhone, that's fine. You know what? My nail. Have me a perky to let go of the pain and shit. I might go insane and shit. Kingy! What you doing?
I'm playing with Bob.
Oh, you playing with Bob? Well, you could come outside. We out here.
Maybe y'all can come in for a little bit.
Oh, we don't have time. The pumpkin patch get ready to close, honey.
For real?
Yes, for real. It looks like we forgot a Halloween decoration. It's still, they got a big spider still on the step. Here's my big boy.
Close it again, King. Close your door again.
What's up, King? Say hi to the vlog. KJ sleep. Knocked out.
Not anymore.
You up, bro? Okay, y'all, so let me tell the kids, because I forgot to tell the kids. Y'all, you know, I called the pumpkin patch place and they told me that there's no more pumpkins for the season because it's not October anymore. Y'all okay with that?
Yeah.
You okay with that, Bear? I think Bear cool with anything.
stomach.
Y'all excited? We almost there.
Yeah.
Cause you got attitude again? Per usual.
Should I bring my phone?
Yes, you can take pictures and stuff.
But how could I hold it?
How you gonna hold it? Well, I can hold it for you, or you can put it in your pocket. But we here.
Should be a vibe. Where's it at?
Over there, it's 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 over
Right
there.
here, right here.
Fuck the police, fuck the police. What you say, on? You need a face? I think we got some extra ones, Brody. You said what? You said what, Bear? Bear. Bear. You can't even talk. You said you're that excited? Finally. Y'all know he's my little baby bipolar. You're really happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at your little legs. We decided to take our jackets and stuff off, y'all, because it's so hot, which is good. I'm so happy, y'all. Every time we've been trying to do stuff lately, the weather has been bad. This is what it looks like. The kids seem super excited. KJ was super excited about this scarecrow. I don't know why. I know my brother crazy. I love their merch, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get us all some shirts. They say Lost in the Magic. That's so cool. So yeah. What's wrong, baby?
Oh no, I was gonna put your wristbands on. I was gonna put your wristbands on.
Oh yes, please. Wristband me up.
Alright, what's up, vlog?
I'm fixing my waist trainer, y'all. Chill on me, mind your business. My business, don't do that.
Alright, so what we gonna do first, babe? You wanna funnel cake?
What you cook?
Like this.
Oh yeah, I want a funnel cake, y'all.
Alright, you don't want no
But I
slice of
don't
pizza?
want nothing right now. You the one that's hungry.
Yeah, I'm real hungry. I might get a slice of. I wanna.
You eat. I'm gonna play.
You gonna? You gonna play? Let me look.
I ain't gonna hold you.
Wait, let's get the pizza first.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God! Please get to the Forme first, bro.
Tell me what?
That's how we're gonna be lost in there for a long time. We need to hurry up
Man.
and get over it.
Yes, bro.
Oh.
Oh y'all, we about to go to the maze. We just gonna see who gonna make their way out. Who gonna help us find our way out?
Hold on, let me show y'all. Who. This girl.
Oh yeah.
Look at the ice cream things.
Huh? What ice cream fan? And
Getting pizza. Pizza. I can't wait to get a funnel cake, y'all. Babe, you got your pizza? Is it good, Stick Daddy? It look good. I ain't gonna lie. That thing look good. No, I'm good, baby. I'm trying to lose weight and you playing with me. Playing in my face with food. You know how I feel about that. I love you. Come on, let's go. Baby, it's something I wanted to show you. Look, they got hand dipped chocolate covered cheesecake on a stick. Now that's a lot of words for one snack. I'm not even gonna hold you. Witch's Brew, the Dungeon. This is so cool, but I think it's ice cream, hot dog, corn dogs.
Watch me do a flip on the jump in there.
I ain't gonna hold you. The kids might can eat here. The kids might can eat here. Hey, y'all! Oh, y'all about to just go ahead and go dumb, huh? I can't even get a good picture of him.
I found those socks.
That's okay. Do what you want.
Did a flag flip. Look, y'all, look. Look. Let me jump. I want to
This is the corn maze. I cannot wait to do that. That's the main reason I wanted to come here, y'all. Not even gonna lie. Because the cornfield, it's the only thing I know that's taller than me that I can actually have fun with. You know, you can't have fun with stuff no more when you get a certain age.
Okay, I saw that.
I'm sorry, I got edge control on that forehead. You can try, yeah, go ahead.
I must hit the phone.
They're picking corn, y'all.
Wait, let me.
I'm done.
I was just about to put my phone out too for this.
We got time, so we can take our time. What is this? Corn. It's real corn. Bro, what you doing? Picking corn? Oh, he done picked the whole thing off. Wait, is we allowed to take some corn home? Follow me. Where you going? Like we like Zimbabwe. Huh?
I'm about to see what should I record.
This is lit though. I love it. I love it here. Yeah, so they got me in this corn maze and we lost as fuck. None of the clues is working. KJ, he having fun. She trying to get us out of here. Y'all, I lost my wife in a baby! Baby! I was just about to say I lost you.
I was about to prank you.
Don't prank me then. I found my baby, y'all. I was about to be crying.
I heard KJ. I wasn't too far away from y'all. I was just saying, fuck it. I might just come up to the... I don't even got no camera to vlog nothing with.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby.
That's why I wasn't too far.
Wasn't too far. You never too far, right?
Yep, never
And that's on period. So they want to go to the swings. Oh, yeah, Brody. King always talking shit. KJ, get over here. Y'all, my brother is so ghetto. He's so ghetto. There's some over here. KJ, hurry up. Run to that one because somebody get it. Hurry up. No, over here. Yeah, bro. Ooh, I want y'all to get up there. You about to swing? Y'all can swing yourself? Go, KJ, go.
I'm winning the race.
God, it's not moving. Baby, it's not moving.
Oh, a horse.
A horse?
A horse.
Okay, you want to ride the horses? I think they ponies, though. Let's go. Cool. I like it, too. Go ahead, if you can. The door lamp! You can't even get in the solo. My little, gotta be careful with my little steps, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Go ahead. One thing, two things, fine thing, pretty fine thing, pretty young thing, I'm saying, yeah. Ooh, it's steep. Ooh, oh, shit. Oh. See, that's what I'm not about to do. Y'all want to take it to the back? Oh, let me sit right here. Ooh, this thing bouncy.
Yeah, you can sit right here.
Ooh, okay, we on here, y'all. You better hold on tight, Dave. Talk about ain't no seatbelt. Scoot over some. Y'all good?
Yeah.
You ready, boy? Yeah. Corn maze is so cute. My ribs.
I should have got mine at the car.
But, yeah, you want...
Oh, baby, you're doing it. Come on. KJ, get down, watch out.
He's doing that to me.
Watch out, KJ, watch out.
He cheated.
KJ, watch out, stop.
Have they seen him? No, not. Yes, you have. I
made it.
Yeah, she made it.
Mickey made it.
He's happy to me, bruh.
Oh,
no, I want your cookie. There y'all are. You got a cheese pizza?
They look good.
Oh, this for KJ? Pizza look
I
good.
got a whole pepperoni pizza. We didn't even get a bite of it.
King in the background doing something. What you doing now? Oh, you made it even taller. Let's check on King's masterpiece, y'all. Mr. Big IQ. Okay, you want to kick it? I used to do that stuff like that too. Build it to kick it. Knock that joint down. That's the whole game of Jenga right there. That's it right there? That joint over.
Where was Jordan?
I am. Was that satisfying, bro? Yes. Back over here. I think I'm about to get me some food too, because I ain't gonna hold y'all.
Take a bite of this.
Take a bite? Okay, I'm gonna take a
That's
bite.
why I get mine.
I'm so proud of you, King. This is so cool. Come show the people how you made it. He made it with these pieces, y'all. It started from a zero job to this. This is so cool, King. I'm so proud of you. And you can sit there. I know that's right, bro. Give me 5. Cool, right? Say bye, YouTube. Get in his car. He been eyeing this car since we got here. So we gonna go here. Let him get... Bro. This is it, bro. This is it. Dry that joint. Dry your whip, bro. Dry your... King about to play Connect 4. Alright, go, King. I'm gonna let y'all know who wins. Pretty sure it's gonna be... Oh, you gotta pull a thing. The thing's starting right through. Well, I'm gonna go right here. What? Where he at? Oh my gosh, my brother over there milking a cow. I told y'all this man was ghetto. He ghetto as shit. King over here cheating in Connect 4. King, let me win. Alright. Stop, bro. This is crazy. What you ready to do? What you ready to do? I'ma just guess. Bitch, I'm guessing. 1, 2. Can you get Connect 4? Oh shit! Y'all wasn't even gonna tell me he was ready to get me. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Hey, you just a hater, bro. You ain't want nobody see I whooped you for real. You're so pretty. Alright, let's go, guys. Come on, babe. Alright, y'all, so we're on this road on our way to take Kingy back home. But before we go, I want to interview my Brody. What was your favorite part of the day? Anytime now. Talk about your snow cone? Oh, your snow cone was the favorite part of the day? Part of the day. Yes, y'all, King got stung by a bee. That was his worst part of the day. But his favorite part of the day was getting his snow cone.
Not the ice cream cone, but the cotton candy.
The cotton candy was your favorite part of the day. What's up with the favorite part of your day being food? And what was the worst part of your day that you hated? Or didn't like, rather?
About the watch.
Oh, that you didn't get to get a watch?
Yeah.
You were pretty heated about that. Well, I'm about to walk Kingy in the house, y'all, and we're gonna get to y'all in a minute. King, say bye to YouTube. Oh, it's the singing for me. I love the voice. I'm here for the voice. I love you, bro.
Love you too. Love you, boo.
All right, King.
We ate the taste, but it's another one. Yeah, bro. We got drink over. We got Tommy Gun. I'm 10 toes down. And I will never run. Hey, them niggas pussy as a bitch. I told them niggas never run. Hope the party on my head.
Okay, y'all, so we are on our way to get something to eat now. We made it back to our city. Y'all know where we live at. Y'all know where King live at, because I'm not putting our addresses on live. I'm not putting my address on the live. I'm not putting my address on the live. I'm not putting my address on the live, because they will come get me. But yeah, for real, we about to go to Sakura. Sakura, it's like a hibachi restaurant. If you haven't been there, most people have, but I was just in the mood for something I haven't had in a while. Michela's been craving like Sakura and stuff like that, because she goes to Sakura in the mall often, and then the mall was closed due to Corona. Yeah, I'm so buzzed Lightyear. Like
It's the Buzz Lightyear for me.
yeah, but Oh, KJ's in the back. I forgot to tell y'all. So he's gonna actually just come in with us. He probably won't like this food, which is why he already ate. Oh, they TikToking. Oh. Okay, I see you, birthday girl. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get in here. We're here, guys.
Is it cold in there?
I'm tired. Me and KJ just like little slump in the car, kinda. I got this one. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, we can't give me some magic. You gave me this one too.
Want to sit at the stove?
Yeah, the stove. You eat? Is it? Okay, yeah. Let's do 3.
Okay.
Are you sure? Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
gonna grab my phone, right?
Okay. Voice is back on, so he made it to the place. Say hey, bear. He was asleep, telling something. I'm ready to go home. I was sleepy. I'm sleepy. Talking about we getting here. He's talking. Is it okay if I eat here too? I thought you were so sleepy so bad. I got so much work to do, but it's like I'm getting addicted to it. My baby. So we just ordered. KJ's gonna go to Burger King, y'all, because the
For
man.
burgers and fries.
Yeah, the man told him no, we don't have burgers and fries. He was trying to order this drink called the ex-girlfriend. There's a.
You see?
Do y'all see it? Yeah, right here. The ex-girlfriend, like, why do you want that? Why do you want to be sipping on that?
Oh, I didn't realize it was really. Yeah, I just found it funny. I didn't want to drink. I didn't even know it was a drink. I thought it was a sandwich or something. I didn't know it was a drink. I really didn't. That's why I said, let me see. Because I ain't know what it was.
Because she know better. She know better.
Take off the mask.
Baby, we in public. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Birthday?
Alright.
22. Put an egg on it. I like the part where you put the egg on it.
It's the egg for him. You heard, KJ?
Yeah.
He said, I like the part where you put the egg on there. You taking me?
Yeah, thank you.
So, cooking bacon chicken now. My shrimp is done. We got y'all started eating a little rice. I'm waiting on my food.
I like the.
I just want the vlog.
I like the
Oh,
cookies.
thank you.
What's up, vlog? So right now we out at Sakura, so the restaurant. I ain't never been here before, but I've been to a hibachi grill before, so I'm pretty used to it, familiar to it, and everything like that. What I've never tried is this, and it's so good. So good.
Me too.
Who you want to be the chef?
No, I think they want to be a chef one day.
Anyway,
You want to be a chef or no? You do?
like Tracy?
Tracy, you can do anything you put your mind to. Like you really about to do about you right now. So
Right.
you can do this. Make sure y'all subscribe to my
Can I
cousin.
get another 2 others?
Shout out to our cousin Tracy. She really do be cooking up in the kitchen, though. I ain't gonna hold you. For real.
Did you show them the soup, babe?
Huh?
Did you show them the soup?
Oh no, yeah, the soup right here.
The soup is actually kind of good, unlike the salad.
You really like it?
I like the soup, not the
I'm
salad.
gonna tell you what's in there after you're done.
Mushrooms?
Yeah.
I know. Did you think I didn't know what a mushroom looked like?
No, but I heard something else was in it.
What?
Like squid juice or something. Hey, baby.
This is not no squid.
I just want to ask them what's in it when you done. All right. KJ, look, be careful. Look, you have to be careful. Look at that. Look. Look at that. Look. You gotta be careful. Check your time.
She called me like her sister.
Huh? You said what?
She's goofy and clumsy like her sister.
I know, right? Yeah, y'all. I'm trying not to eat my food, man. I'm trying not to eat my food. For real. Really trying. Stink just gave up.
I ain't gonna hold
Stink
y'all.
just gave up.
It's so torture. Oh my god.
Man, I'm just so ready. Alright, y'all. That was a little update. We can get back to y'all when we get all our food on our plate. It should be coming soon, though, so.
Do they have a restaurant?
I don't know why I'm looking right here in the camera right here.
They have the restaurant.
Do they have a restaurant here?
A restaurant?
Hold on. Do they have a what?
A restaurant.
Do they have a restaurant so you can use the bathroom? He is so cute. Oh, here, buddy. Oh my gosh, it's on the ground, but it fell this way.
I'm hiding.
I'm not. Oh, KJ, you keep dropping your mask on the ground, boy. You got hide your drip. You said hide your drip so nobody can steal it.
Yeah.
Don't get your chain snatched. Go ahead, bro. The best part is yet to come, y'all. Happy birthday. Do you like your food?
Yeah. So good.
Did you like your food a little bit?
Chicken a lot.
You liked your chicken a lot. Did you like the shrimp?
The shrimp was not bad, a little bit.
So the shrimp wasn't bad. How about your rice? Didn't look like you ate your rice.
The rice.
You ain't really messing with the rice.
No, Gemma.
You turn the camera off. Y'all, so as you can see, Biden is our new president. If I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. I don't know what I'm talking about. The new president is in office now, or whatever it is. I don't know the right terms. But we got a new president. Trump is not in office anymore. So basically what I'm trying to say.
I'm an elected president.
Today was the day we found out.
Huh?
How you feel about your new press?
I feel good. I almost feel like Obama becoming president.
It almost like Obama.
Yeah, but we always had a white president.
Yeah.
So,
I
but-
guess just after coming from Trump.
A Republican? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm full, baby. I ain't gonna lie. You ready to
Yeah, I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
And I actually want to watch this and see what he has to say. I actually want to see it. Let's get the check-in in. D-Day girl got a free cheesecake or whatever. How you feel? 22. Let me see the Cuban links. Yeah. And you fine as wine. You so gracefully. They thought you was 16. 22. Big ups to you. You need that tat. You want to get tatted? We gotta vlog that. This man really scraping his plate.
Trying to be like this chef.
Oh, you trying to be like this chef? That's how he was.